Yo, what's up, everyone? My name's Dave, and you suck at programming. All right, today we're going to talk about configuration files in Bash and how to parse them. All right, we're going to use our own format for a configuration file, and it's going to look something like this. It's going to look like key equal sign value. All right, so as you can see, we have foo equals 1, bar equals 2, baz equals 3, and then a whole bunch of crap to the right. Kind of interesting. Let's see what we can do. Well, we can take the naive approach. This is what you guys think is right. All right, I have a cringe version of this script that you guys wrote. You guys sent this in. You were like, hey, this will work, right? We can just source it, and then we can just print them out, right? Let's see. You think this will work? And we run it, and what happens? Uh-oh, it prints hacked, lol, uh-oh. That's kind of weird. And we can see foo is set to 1, bar is equal to 2, and baz is equal to nothing. That's kind of weird. So what happened? Well, bash minus x. We can run this with minus x, which will give us trace debugging, and we can see the first thing it does is it sources conf, and then it sets foo equal to 1, bar equal to 2, baz equal to 3, and then it runs echo with baz set to 3. So we can see down here, foo is equal to 1, bar is equal to 2, baz is equal to nothing. So it actually ran this echo command. You can see the double plus sign means it's running inside the source file. It ran this echo command. That is not what we want. We do not want configuration files running commands. So how do we fix this? Well, let's look at my based way of doing it. This is a lot, but let's go over it line by line. The first thing we do, we need bash version 4.0 for this to work. We define an associative array called conf. Then we loop the file line by line, we separate on the equal sign, we read the first thing, the left side of the equal sign to key, the next thing, the right side, we set it to value, and then we set conf key equals value. Now we have an associated array with 3 keys, so we can just print them out, conf foo, conf bar, and conf baz. So if we run the base script, what do we get? We get what we should get. We get foo is set to equal 1, bar is equal to 2, and baz is equal to 3, echo, all that crap to the right. The important thing, that echo command did not run. It is actually just set in the variable as a string. Bash didn't try to interpret it as a command. It just treated it as a string. We can verify this with bash minus x. There's going to be a lot of output here, but as you can see, no echo command was actually run with hacked lol. The only thing that was run was echo with the whole entire thing as a string. That is how to safely parse this configuration file in Bash.